We are the CB Group, and we are redefining real estate in the GTA. With a combined 25 years of experience, our team has built a solid foundation of local knowledge and connections. We're proud to be ranked the top 5% globally at the agency and honored to be recipients of Oakville Beaver's Platinum Award for being a top real estate team.
But it doesn't stop there. We understand the importance of staying ahead of the curve in today's digital world. That's why we are ranked as the top Oakville realtors to follow on social media. We believe in utilizing cutting-edge strategies to effectively market properties and connect with our clients in meaningful ways.
Whether you're buying or selling, we're committed to providing exceptional service, tailored solutions, and a seamless experience. With the CB Group, you can expect personalized attention, transparent communications, and a results-driven approach that exceeds expectations.
Join us on this exciting real estate journey. Follow our social media channels for the latest market insights and property highlights. We can't wait to connect with you and help you achieve your real estate goals.